Alright guys, this is why you don't mess with me. We're gonna blow this motherfucker right up. And I don't care if it goes in any of your faces. Alright? Let's spin on the Mentos. How do I actually do this? Someone tell me.
Open the lid
okay, we're gonna open
and
the
then
lid.
put the Mentos in.
Okay. No, not one at a time. You won't put them all in at once. Like really fast.
Because we've got chocolate Mentos, I don't think it's gonna work.
No, it won't.
Basically, Spencer, put your hand on the lid and shake it up.
Okay. You missed one. Okay, let me... I almost killed myself with this bomb. This highly, you know terrorists use this bomb. That's how deadly it is, guys. Now I'm gonna shake it up anymore, just see if anything happens. No, it's absolutely boring. You know what? Yeah, that's gone. So this is what I think, yeah? Listen, if you see someone coming at you with a Coca-Cola ball, run right the hell out of there. I swear to God, they're dangerous, mate. Especially if they got Mentos with them, like in the grenade-like pockets, whatever the hell they do nowadays. Okay, listen, Coca-Cola is not a joke. It is dangerous. Even the off-brand shit, that was from like Aldi's or something. And I almost blew my hand off. Like, I had to go to the hospital behind the scenes. I almost died. So yeah, do not take... I can't say! Do not make a joke out of these Coke bombs. They are dangerous. Be careful, or I'll come after you, Von. Okay, this is me, Dan, the Explosives Man, signing out. Peace!